Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm over at the mall. It's Sunday and it's 10:30 in the morning, and I think the mall's looking pretty good. Doesn't look real crowded, and I'm headed to Bath and Body Works. Shopping, and I must say I did pretty good. I got everything that was on my list that I wanted today, and like I said, I was at the mall earlier at 10:30 this morning, and I went into Bath and Body Works, and they weren't really busy at all. The lines moved pretty quickly, and then I went ahead and went into Justice, and that was pretty good too. So I have a lot of things here that I want to show you for gift giving ideas that I think are really good. Since I was in Bath and Body Works first, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you all the stuff that they had there that I picked up. Their sale was on their body care, lotions and sprays, buy 3, get 2 free. So I have somebody that really loves the vanilla sugar. So I went ahead and got this shea butter and coconut oil body wash. And then I got the warm vanilla sugar and the body mist. And then I've got the foaming sugar scrub. So I got these items, and then I got 2 free. And I went ahead and got their new scent, In the Stars body mist. And then I got In the Stars, the moisturizer lotion. So any of these gifts right here, anything from Bath and Body Works, I mean, any teenager, I mean, I just love Bath and Body Works. I love their candles, I love their plug-ins, anything Bath and Body Works, I absolutely love. And then they also had a sale going on where you could buy 5 of their hand soaps. So I went ahead and got 5 for $23. So these will make a nice gift. I think I'll keep 1 for myself. I got 3 lemon. And then I've got the black cherry Marlowe. So that smells really good because I had that before. And then there's another lemon. So I think I'm going to give maybe 2 of these away, a couple away, and I'll keep 1 for myself. And then I got this cute little bag here with little snowflakes on it. I think I'll put the lotions and the body sprays into this. So that'll look real nice. And then while I was in the mall, for my granddaughter, she's 9, and I was told she wanted a unicorn onesie. So what I ended up finding for her was this one here. Now it has the little hood with this little horn, I guess if you're gonna call it, with little ears, and it says, "Today is a unicorn latte kind of day." So I thought that's kind of cute. They really didn't have much selection. They had only one other one, probably a size 10, which she is 9, but she's petite. So I think this one's a size 8, so I got this for her. And then I thought this was cute because her name's Gabrielle, and I thought I'd get her a little makeup bag to put her stuff in. So I got her that. And then I picked up this little shimmering body mist here in blue for her to put in her little cosmetic bag. And then I know over a couple months ago, she went ahead and put some colored dye in her hair, the kind that just washes out. So I saw this there and I thought this was a cute deal, the Unicorn Power Hair Color, and it's blue. And it's just a temporary brush-in hair color. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put that stuff in her bag there. And then as a free gift, I got G on it, and this is lip gloss. Unicorn berry lip gloss. So I think she'll really like all these little items I got her. And then my next stop was over to Target. Somebody wanted, let's see, where's my Target bag? Somebody was asking for, so my grandson, he is 4, and he wanted Paw Patrol Lookout Tower. So let me tell you about this. So this has lights and sounds, and on the back here, it includes one vehicle. So you get, and then you get a working elevator, you have the backpack storage, you have lights and sounds and phrases, and there's interactive pup pad, and there's slides with flipping feature. They have a vehicle launcher, and they have a rotating base. So I think this is really cute. Let me see what the ages are on this. It says what the ages are for this. 3 and up. But anyways, all the kids are into Paw Patrol. I just know he loves anything Paw Patrol and PJ Masks. So any gift being PJ Masks or Paw Patrol, he would absolutely love. This is something that he really wanted, and I went ahead and got it for him this year. And then next on the list, somebody wanted a game, an Xbox One game. So these make nice gifts for any teenager. Adults love to play Xbox games. I know my kids do. I also got my son, he's 20. I got him one that he can download. So we got him a Fallout 76. Now he can download this game onto his Xbox, so that's what he's gonna do with this. And then I also got him an Xbox Live card, so he can play online. And I got that. And then I went into Ross. Now I want to tell you about this great deal in Ross. Now my kids do love cologne, and my husband does too. My most favoriteest cologne is Burberry, and it's the Touch. That stuff just smells amazing, and I always go into Ross, and I always end up finding it. Now I just looked on Macy's website, the Eternity. So what I did was, Eternity smells good too. So the men's Eternity. This was, for this same size, a 3.4 fluid ounce, was $78. And I got this for $40. $39.99 is what I got the Eternity. So I always make sure I shop Ross. You can go into TJ Maxx, any of those stores, and you can find the men's cologne, and also you can find women's. So I ended up buying 2 of the Eternity men's cologne. And I did, now, again, I couldn't find another one of the Burberry. Now this is my favorite. So I did get the big one, and this is a 3.3 ounce. And this one is $36.99, and I can't remember, but at Macy's, I think it was $80-something. So again, your best bargain is to go into Ross or TJ Maxx for cologne for your special man, because my kids absolutely love wearing cologne. So I did find something at Ross for myself. I went ahead and picked up this basket. Now I think what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to do something in my laundry room. I'm going to do an organizational laundry room video, so you'll have to watch that. So I hope all these items that I showed you here gives you some ideas for your family